So friends, in this Anaconda Navigator, if we have to connect to Biopython, we have to go to the thing called environments. So there is a tab called environment below the home where you can search for the Biopython availability. Okay. So before searching, you just ensure that you just put the drop down for all, or all are updatable, whatever might be. So if you click Biopython, since I have searched it already, it's there. See, these many packages are there, right? So like Mutex, Asinico, a number of packages are there. Where we are interested with Biopython, and once you are clicking the checkbox, check for apply. So let us give some time for the package to get installed. So in this module, we will be discussing about all the Biopython tools which are helpful for our bioinformatics analysis. So stay tuned.